R20's unboxing. All accessories are included in the box. Cut off all of them cable tie. Remove the kickstand mounting screw. Align the holes and tighten the screws. Remove the clamp mounting screws. Install the bicycle handlebar, then tighten the clamp screws. Remove the axle protectors. Install the tire, then tighten the mounting screws. Remove the front light mounting screws. Install the front light and tighten the screws. Align the arrows and plug the connectors together. Tighten the left pedal by turning it to the left, counterclockwise. Tighten the right pedal by turning it to the right, clockwise. Turn on the power and test the functions.